What is up, YouTube? I just wanted to bring to you today my Model 85 Ultralight 38 Special revolver. I have not shot this yet. I actually just bought it today for a concealed carry. There you can see the ultralight. I just figured I'd make a quick video about it and give you my first thoughts on it. Don't worry, the bullets for it are right there. It's a 5-shooter. I ain't really going to go into a whole lot because you can get on here and I'm sure there's thousands of videos on these things. But it was shown at a gun show in 2009 is what I was told. This is the double action trigger, if you listen for it. There's one. It's very easy on the trigger. Very smooth. To open it, you just push that forward. It comes right open. Really nice gun. Like I said, I have not fired it yet. I'm hoping to fire it maybe tomorrow. There's the ejection rod. This thing is really, really super light. I mean, it's like 16.6 ounces empty. And just under 1 pound when fully loaded with 5 bullets. What I'm using is hollow point, 125 grain Winchester bullets. 945 feet per second, 940 feet per second, something like that. This is the plus P, so it's a harder round. Again, it holds five bullets. Sorry, I keep wanting to say shells because all I've ever owned was shotguns. So, but them are the bullets for it. My hollow points. It's for concealed carry purposes. And these little things, I am plenty confident will stop somebody in their tracks. But anyway, back to the gun. It's ultra light. I mean, like I said, it's 16.6 ounces empty and just under 1 pound. Get the sights lined up for you. There you go. It aims really good. Sights look good. This is my first pistol. Like I said, I still have yet to shoot it. But I'm looking forward to it, so we'll see how that goes. On a lot of them, the model number is like right there. I've seen some right there. And then mine is on the other side right below the chamber. Made in Brazil, 85. That's the model. UL is ultralight. There's the Taurus, manufactured in Miami, Florida. There's the Taurus. Taurus, however you want to pronounce it. But it's got a nice, big, well, not big, but small hand grip. And it fits my big hands perfectly well. Very comfortable in my hand. So, 10 seconds left, sorry. So that is my Taurus 38 Special revolver. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.